Latest update. I put the head unit back on and my blinker system wasn't working. I've taken my stage 6 blinker side unit that came with the really great throttle. If you're going to race DIOs, get a stage 6. Get one of these. They're really nice. They're about $100, but I'll tell you what, they're really well built. I plumbed in all of my wiring, Mickey Mouse of course, into the blinker array here, and it would not work. And I'm like, God, I got so much spaghetti wiring, everything. I don't know. Have I blown a bulb? Is there a wire cross somewhere? Is there something somewhere? So what I did was I went over to my other shop, and this is one reason that you should keep all your old parts, because you never know when you might need them. I was over there about 5:30 in the morning, and I decided to go look for some things I might need. Found some bolts for my reed valve. Found a choke. Found some neat little, what do they call these, switches that I might put in. But I also found something neat. This is the blinker assembly for the Dio. And when I used to buy my head units like this right here, when you used to buy these head units, they just cut the wiring off and give you everything there. And there's a lot of good parts. So what I did was I took my plug-in for my stock blinker deal, and I plugged it into this replacement old one, and my blinkers worked absolutely perfect. So now I can put it back together. I don't have a problem with that. Even though it's a bitch getting this head unit back on, at least I know that the blinkers work. And when you got a racing bike like this, look, you don't want to be sticking your hands out going, I'm turning, I'm slowing down, I'm stopping. Hell no. Have your blinkers, all that stuff working, because if you get plowed into by a Mack truck and they get some fancy lawyer saying, well, the kid didn't have his proper turn signals and brake lights and all that. Okay, well, case closed. Take your wheelchair and get the hell out of my court. So if you're doing racing, you want to have these. And this was back in the day when eBay was a great auction site where I bought a number of these motors, 3 or 4 motors from eBay. And I think the top price was like $200 a piece, but Christ, $200 would buy you half of the case here. Anyway, the wife wants to come out and sit in a chair out here, so I'm going to spend some time taking apart the head unit and putting in the new blinker array and getting my wiring in order. And she's just about to go out on the street for street testing. And another thing I found, Steve from VT gave me this years ago, and it's a little, it says for free, thank you, or something. Okay. This is an oil deal, which, like in Hawaii, it didn't make sense to me at first, but what you do is you keep this in your glove box full of oil, 2-stroke oil, and then when you go to a gas station, you put in so much gas, you put in so much oil. But the deal is, this will work perfect right down in here. So I just want to say thank you, Steve Antrese, VT Cycles. This time, it's for real.